I mean, one of the things that probably should happen if it's an engaging lessons is kids should talk and kids should move. And I think that's more natural to happen with BenQ Boards than when it was a projector. Because on the projector, the screen drops down, you're not gonna necessarily write on that, right? So you can look at it, but again, these, I think it's more natural for kids to actually get up and move, which I think is one of those elements that we sort of forgot about. And in secondary classrooms, that's really, really important that you give kids a chance to move, because sometimes it can turn into just straight lecture and kids don't ever get a chance to move. So this gives, again, those opportunities for kids to get up and interact with part of the lesson.
So since I started using the BenQ, my teaching approach has changed in the fact that I'm able to incorporate more hands-on lessons for my kids that will require them to come to the board and either write something. We've used the highlighted feature, and so really getting them involved and up here instead of me being the one doing all of the lessons and applying. They're able to kind of incorporate that themselves.
For math, it's great because this kid may solve a problem this way, but then I might say like, well, did anyone else solve it different? And they'll raise their hand and they'll come up and solve it their way. So it's interactive. We make mistakes, we can erase it. So I think it just involves the students. They're engaged because they know they get to go up there.